There's opportunity in panic, and yesterday, as I shared with you, most people were panicking because Trump is threatening to go back to war and bomb Iran again. Everybody panicking, oh my gosh, oil's going to go to $200 a barrel, buy. And what did I share with you yesterday? That I thought the price of oil could eventually come down. Now I understand, I used to think that way too. I used to feel that the news was driving the stock market, and I used to invest based on those headlines. Never worked for me, but I tried it for a long time. Here's what I eventually figured out, that I can track the emotions of the emotional herd. And when I think those people are about exuberant, what happens? It always snaps back. Now, I didn't know yesterday if oil would run higher or lower today. I can't tell the future. But with oil down in the day, I thought it is worth taking a short trade here in oil. So I am now short crude oil. What do you think? Do you think you should be short crude oil now, or do you think it goes higher? Let me know in the comments, like this video, and follow for more. If you would like me to invest your portfolio for you through times like these, comment manage. If you would like to receive my real-time stock trades, comment trades. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. Here's West Texas Intermediate crude oil as of about 1:45 Eastern Time. Yeah, earlier in the day, we did come up a little bit, but then have started to come back down. I can't tell the future. I don't know what the headlines will be. I don't know if we will bomb Iran or not. But when oil yesterday and earlier today gets up this high, above $110 a barrel, yeah, technically it could go a little higher, but the chances of it coming down lower eventually are much higher. That's why I began a new short crude position. I also added to my favorite long maturity bond fund today, and when I did it, I alerted my members immediately. On the 10-year yield, anything can happen, but it looks like we're not going to break above 4.43%. If we don't, and today is kind of the short-term top, then it's a great time to buy your favorite long maturity bond fund. You're welcome. Let's see how we close. The S&P 500 could close at another fractional all-time high. Remember what I've been saying for a few days, where the generally stock prices, the indexes, have been chopping sideways for a while, but the short-term underlying mood swings were around mild fear. One of two things has to happen. Either that fear, mild underlying emotions, comes back up to match the happiness in the indexes, or the indexes fall to match the fear in the underlying emotions. Now, one day does not make a trend, and Apple reports after the bell this afternoon about 4:30 Eastern, but at least as of today, the underlying emotions are starting to come back up towards neutrality. Again, one day does not make a trend, but if it continues in the short term here, the stock market can absolutely run higher. Be ready. Gold is higher on the day so far, and so far erasing the unconfirmed breakdown made yesterday below $4,584 an ounce. If gold kind of chops sideways here and holds this level, could be a decent time to go long your gold there. I have not done it yet, but if I do it, I'll tell my members first.